Hi there and welcome to Julia's Jolly Junkyard. Today we will be building a new door for my garage because this one is not only old, it's also ugly and very unpractical. And I think my junkyard deserves something better. It will look something like this. Okay, thanks to the camera magic and time traveling, you have already seen how it will look like, but I don't know. I sadly have to work, so because I am in the past and I need to travel to the present or back to the future. Anyway, let's get into it. I don't know if you know it, but this was before a restaurant. And this place was outside terrace where people were eating outside, and this was a cover for windy days. But now it's time to change it. I need a proper gate to my garage, and I will build it similar because I really like that this gives so much light inside of garages, so I will build a door with a window because I like natural light and how it looks like, so I think it will be amazing. Now we can start with the hard work, and Valentinka will be watching us. As you can see, I'm a weak little girl, so that's why I had to develop a method how to build heavy things. I will build it here in place because I'm also not so good in measuring. I will build it here, I will screw it here together, I will glue it also. And for this, I will not use glue like this. I will use a real proper one. There is one thing you don't know about me. I love to glue and I love duct tape. When you make a wooden door, especially a heavy one, you need a space between floor and the door because the wood always sags down. So now I will screw it temporarily together with those things and later I will put the proper hinges. This way we are sure it will not fall down while we are building. When have you been the last time by the dentist? Okay, perfection. Ah, perfection! Okay. So now the frame is made. We can continue. Ta-da! We are finished with construction. I put plexiglass on top because I love natural light. The only thing which is missing, I need to put hinges here. But first, door handles. I picked this beautiful black one. I think they will perfectly fit here. Now finally we can put the hinges. I picked those brutal ones because my door is heavy and massive, and I will put on each side 4 of them. The upper part of the door, I kept it in one piece for stability during building. Now it's time to cut it. Okay. This is the middle, I guess. Yoo-hoo! Now I can open the door. I remove the helping holders. And let's see if I did a good job and everything holds. So now comes the moment. Let's see if I am a good engineer. Ta-da! It works! Wow! Yoo-hoo! I have barn doors. I love them. Wow! I am very, very happy with the result. I need only beautify it, paint it, do this and that, but I hope you liked it as much as I did. So take care of your cars, love them and pet them. See you next time. Bye bye.